What's up everyone, AI era here, and let's talk about the future. No, not self-driving cars this time, but something even cooler. Google's Android XR. This isn't just another software update, it's a whole new way to experience, well, everything. Forget clunky VR headsets that keep you tethered to a PC. Android XR is all about seamlessly blending the digital and physical worlds. Imagine a world where information is overlaid onto your real-time view, directions pop up as you walk, and your favorite apps are accessible with a gesture. That's the promise of Android XR, and trust me, it's gonna be big. Now you might be thinking, didn't Google try this before with Google Glass? And you'd be right, they did. But this isn't Google Glass 2.0. Android XR is a complete ecosystem built from the ground up, leveraging the power of Google's AI, a thriving developer community, and cutting-edge hardware. It's about more than just notifications on your face, it's about transforming how we work, learn, play, and connect with the world around us. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. So, what makes Android XR so special? Let's break it down. First off, we've got seamless AR integration. Remember those AR games where you could catch Pokemon in your backyard? Android XR takes that to a whole new level. We're talking real-time navigation overlaid onto your view, instant language translation as you travel, and interactive three-dimensional models that pop out of thin air. It's like having an extra layer of information layered onto the real world. But wait, there's more. Android XR is powered by Google's latest and greatest AI, Gemini. This isn't just your average voice assistant. Gemini is like having a super smart sidekick living in your XR device. Need to schedule an appointment, get directions, or control your smart home devices? Just ask Gemini. It's like having the power of Google search at your fingertips, literally. Of course, software is only half the story. To experience the full potential of Android XR, you need the right hardware, and that's where Project Moohan and Android XR glasses come in. Project Moohan, developed by Samsung, is a sleek and powerful mixed reality headset designed for both consumers and professionals. Think high-resolution displays, spatial audio, and advanced tracking capabilities all packed into a comfortable and stylish design. But if you're looking for something a bit more discreet, Android XR glasses are the way to go. These aren't your grandma's reading glasses, folks. We're talking about stylish and lightweight frames packed with cutting-edge technology. Imagine getting turn-by-turn directions projected right onto your lenses, or seeing real-time language translations as you chat with someone who speaks another language. Android XR glasses are all about seamlessly integrating digital information into your everyday life. Open doors and endless possibilities, the Android XR developer ecosystem. One of the coolest things about Android XR is that it's built on an open platform. That means developers from all over the world can create their own apps and experiences, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're already seeing some incredible AR and VR apps for gaming, education, healthcare, and more. Imagine learning about history by stepping into a virtual recreation of ancient Rome, or practicing surgery on a virtual patient before ever stepping foot in an operating room. And because Android XR is compatible with a wide range of devices from smartphones to headsets to glasses, the possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Android XR offers a wealth of tools and resources to help you bring your ideas to life. A new era of digital interaction, Android XR's transformative impact. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting world of Google's Android XR. From its seamless AR integration and powerful AI assistant to its sleek hardware and thriving developer ecosystem, Android XR has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. It's about more than just entertainment, it's about enhancing our lives, our work, and our understanding of the world around us. This is just the beginning, folks. As developers continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more amazing XR experiences in the years to come. So, what do you think about Android XR? Are you excited about the possibilities? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Peace out.